Hey, good morning, boys and girls. It's Mr. Phil here. We're so excited to see you. We're also excited because Cedric was just at our door with his friend Polly trick-or-treating. Wow, that was so much fun to see them both. And yeah, it got the babies really excited about Halloween too, because they wanted to get dressed up in their costumes. And hey, Green Gorilla, what are you going to be for Halloween this year? Oh, you have a baseball mitt. That's so cool. You want to be a professional baseball player? Oh, Brandon Crawford from the San Francisco Giants? Oh, that's cool. He plays shortstop. Yeah, and how do you throw? Can you throw the ball too? Oh, yeah, you have a good throwing arm. That's great. And so, yeah, you want to be a professional baseball player. Well, let's look and see what Sharky wants to be for Halloween this year. Hey, Sharky, what are you going to be for Halloween? Oh, wow. You want to be a race car driver? That's so cool. How do you drive, though, how do you steer with only fins? Oh, it's a self-driving electric car? Okay, well, I hope it drives safely. And then let's see what Reginald's going to be. Reginald, Reginald, are you there? Okay. Well, so what are you going to be exactly? A Viking. Oh, okay. From Game of Thrones? Okay, you want to be a Viking. I see. Well, are you sure that you can see okay in there? It seems kind of big for you. Okay, I'll put it back on. All right. Well, yeah, that's a cool costume too. I hope you can see the doorbells when it's time to ring it for trick-or-treating. But that's great, you guys. And I hope you're having fun too, boys and girls. You know, we're talking about how God has plans for us. Okay, plans for good, plans for a future and a hope. And so I thought for our song today, we would do called God is Good All the Time because he has plans for us, all right? And so how about if we do this song together? What's that, Reginald? Yes, you're going to have natural reverb on your voice because of the helmet that you have on. That's great. Okay. Yes, your singing voice will sound so much better. Okay, here we go. God is good all the time. He put a song of praise in this heart of mine. God is good all the time. Through the darkest night, his light will shine. God is good all the time. If you're walking through the valley, there are shadows all around. Do not fear, he will guide you. He will keep you safe and sound. He has promised to never leave you nor forsake you. And his word is true. God is good all the time. He put a song of praise in this heart of mine. God is good all the time. Through the darkest night, his light will shine. God is good all the time. If you're walking through the valley, there are shadows all around. Do not fear, he will guide you. He will keep you safe and sound. He has promised to never leave you nor forsake you. And his word is true. God is good all the time. He put a song of praise in this heart of mine. God is good all the time. Through the darkest night, his light will shine. God is good all the time. God is good all the time. For he has plans for you and me, plans of good and prosperity. He has plans for you and me. He has plans for a future and a hope for you and me. that's right. Jeremiah 29:11. For he has plans for us, for a future, and for a hope. Plans for prosperity. All right? Prosperity means good things. All right? Well, thank you so much for being with us and helping the babies get ready for their trick-or-treating. And so hopefully you have fun as well, boys and girls. And yes, Reginald, good job on your costume and your singing. It sounded great. Okay, I'll put it back on. Gosh, when he wants to get in character, he stays in character. All right. Well, happy driving, Sharky, and good baseball playing, Green Gorilla. Don't throw the ball in the house, though, okay? No playing baseball in the house. All right. Well, have a great rest of your day. We'll see you next week, okay? Bye.